Hi, welcome to my review of the Peak Design Slide camera strap. I bought this strap a few months back as a replacement for my BlackRapid sling strap. And the reason is that with the BlackRapid strap my camera bounces around quite a bit. And I hoped that this strap would fix that problem. So we'll see if that's true in this review. They released a new version of the slide strap a few months back, and one of the differences is that they now use a smaller plate to connect your strap to, and the old version had an Arca Swiss compatible plate, and one of the benefits was that you can, for example, directly connect it to a GorillaPod, which I wanted to do. So I ordered another plate. This is their standard plate. So I can directly connect it to my GorillaPod and detach the straps, which was one of the benefits of the Peak Design slide strap for me. So when I received the strap, I was impressed by the build quality. It's really well made, and I think it will last quite a while. I'll be using this only as a sling strap, so this review will only cover that area. When I used it as a sling strap on my first assignment on a wedding day, I struggled with it quite a bit because I attached one side of the strap to the top and one to the bottom, like they do on the side. And this works well when you're shooting in landscape mode, like this. But when you're shooting in portrait mode, the strap gets in the way, and I was constantly moving the strap from my viewfinder. So after the first wedding I wasn't really impressed with the strap, but then I moved one anchor point to the bottom, just like the BlackRapid strap, and now it works much better because the strap doesn't get in the way of the viewfinder and it doesn't dangle around as much as my BlackRapid strap. What I really love about this strap is that you can easily make it shorter or longer, which takes no effort at all, because I sometimes like to have it a little bit more securely around me, so it doesn't dangle around at all. And sometimes I like to have a little bit more room, so I have more freedom with my camera. So that's nice. I love that you can so easily take the strap off. This is a really great system, but I kind of have to stop myself from playing with this too much because it's just so nice to click with it. The one downside is that on top of this you have a sort of grippy material, and this is used when you're using the strap like this so that it doesn't fall off your shoulder. But I found that when you're using it as a sling strap and you're using, for example, a jacket, and I don't wear this on a wedding day, but I use a more formal blazer, that the grippy material kind of gets stuck on your jacket, so it doesn't slide as easily as without jacket. So that's, well, kind of a downside, but well, I kind of got used to it, so it's not that much of a problem. So would I recommend the Peak Design slide camera strap? Yes, I would, because it's well made, it's versatile. You might have to play around exactly how you want to attach the strap, but it doesn't dangle around quite as much as the BlackRapid strap. And well, it looks nicer as well. So I hope you find this review useful. If you'd like to see more, then please hit the subscribe button. And if you like this video, then please give it a thumbs up. Bye!